Okay, so this is a manifestation secret that honestly works so well. Start with 3 lines on a page, labeling them thought 1, 2, and 3. Write your intention at the very top. For example, I have $10,000. Then you're going to write down 2 thoughts. This is a miracle, and I am so surprised. These are thoughts you would have as if your desired intention actually manifested already. Draw 3 lines at the very bottom, and we're going to draw 3 more lines horizontally, F1, 2, and 3. That's feeling 1, 2, and 3. Write down the 3 main feelings you would have if your desired intention manifested. For example, excited, blessed, and stunned. 3 main emotions you would feel. Draw a circle around all 3 thoughts and all 3 feelings, energetically connecting them. On the bottom left-hand side, you're going to write down your directions. You're going to affirm the thoughts for 5 minutes straight, just repeatedly, over and over and over. You're going to affirm the feelings 5 minutes over and over and over. So essentially, you're going to go on like a chant or rampage on each thought, and then you're going to go through each feeling. Once you do the thoughts, go ahead and circle and place a check mark. Once you go through all 3 feelings, circle it and place a check mark. Now, we really want to correspond and fuse with this vibration. So you're going to do this for 3 days straight. Day 1's today, day 2 and 3 are the next few days. And watch this video to increase your faith 3 times every single day from here. And make sure you subscribe for more.